So I have a homeschool curriculum unboxing. So this stuff is from Timberdoodle and IEW, but I do have one Amazon purchase, and that is Exploring Creation with Chemistry, 2nd edition. You're like, wait, I just saw that in your last haul. Yes, you did, but it had water damage, so I returned that one and reordered this one, and this one looks perfectly fine. So happy about that. I mean, it's definitely used, but you can't buy these new anymore. So got a replacement of that. So that was all good. Okay, and I got from Timberdoodle just a couple things. I just had a recent Timberdoodle haul, so you can check that one out. But this recent haul, I think it's just 2 things. Am I correct? Yes, just 2 things. So I got Genius Star. My girls are gonna be so excited because Genius Square is like their all-time favorite game, especially my 12-year-old. She loves that game so much, and all of her friends love that game. And because you can compete against each other, like you can do it as a 1-player game or a 2-player game. So it's really fun to play against somebody. And so anyways, they love this. In fact, like this has become like the favorite in the tween group of girls. Like I mean, not this one, the square. So I'm sure the star is going to go over just as well as my point. So they're gonna be so excited about that one. And then the second thing I got from Timberdoodle was Cursive Logic, US Presidents and Citizens. This is for practice cursive for 4th grade and up. I do have a review on my channel of the first Cursive Logic book, which I will link for you down below. And that one is the one you wanna do if your child is learning cursive. Now, if they've already learned cursive, then they have a couple different choices of options that you can do. This is the only other handwriting curriculum we have really ever used besides Pen Time and some Memoria Press. So I haven't ventured out of those 2.5. I say 2.5 because Memoria Press, we've really only used their beginning cursive book and nothing else. But Cursive Logic is really good. I'm excited to look through this one and see. I especially liked it was about the presidents because we have been reading all about the presidents and learning about the presidents because the girls and I are trying to beat my husband at the Professor Noggin Presidents game. So far, our efforts have been futile because we can't beat him. So one day. So yeah, you get a curriculum in order to beat your husband at a game. Makes a lot of sense, right? But you know what? We're gonna do it one day. We play the beginning, like in Professor Noggins, we play the like easy level, me and the girls, when I say we, and then my husband gets the hard level. Like you play all together. So like some people can have the easy, some get the hard. Like I can't even do the hard. Apparently I don't know anything about presidents. But he gets everything right and wins every single time. I don't know, but anyway, we got that. Okay, then from IEW, we got a catalog, which I already have, and we also got a Timberdoodle catalog. I now have a bunch of these, so I should probably give them to somebody. And what we got in here is, dun, 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 Structure and Style for Students. Year 1, level B. So this is for middle school ages. We've got this binder here, nice, gorgeous binder with the tabs and a blank booklet. So it has the blank booklet in level A too. And the student sheets, those just fell out, but you got to take these out and put them in the binder. And then I got, let's see here. So this is the actual, I can't get it open. I need a scissors. Here we go, scissors. This is the actual complete program. Okay, don't you just love IEW's boxes? I mean, they're just really nice. Okay, so it says year 1, level B. And it says forever streaming. So you can get forever streaming or the DVDs. I prefer the streaming because I'm not even sure if we own a DVD player. We might, but if we do, it's probably not hooked up. But the forever streaming, like the name implies, you get it forever. So you don't have to keep buying it, or if like the DVDs get scratched or broken or whatever. And what we do is we AirPlay it onto the TV, though you could just watch it on your computer, but we just AirPlay onto the TV. So I like the screaming. I don't like screaming. I like the streaming version. Okay, so we've got this card that tells us stuff. And then I'm gonna cover this up, but this gives me an activation code for my streaming. And then here's that same binder, but this also has the teacher guide in here. So I do have 2 student binders, which I will explain in a future video. Okay, so I've got the second student binder and the second student worksheets, and then the teacher guide. These are like burning hot because I just got them out of my mailbox and it's over 100 degrees, so I just feel so hot. Okay, anyway, whoops. So yeah, 2 student binders and student worksheets, and the teacher manual. And it also has, on this page, it has like downloads you can access to, like an adaptable schedule. So this is 24 weeks, but if you would like to spread it out over 30 weeks, there is a second adaptable, or like a second schedule alternative, that's what I'm looking for, an alternative schedule to do it across 30 weeks instead of 24 weeks. But I will do a flip through of this, so have no fear. I just wanted to say, yeah, okay, what I was looking at to see if it still had literature suggestions like in level A, and it sure does. So that is fantastic. And let me give you a hint. Those literature suggestions will be my daughter's literature. Woo, mind blown. Okay, you could also use those as read-alouds, but I have other read-alouds planned, so she's just gonna use those. It's like 21 balloons. Okay, there's gotta be a list. Where's the list of the literature? Probably somewhere. Probably somewhere. Maybe not. Okay. Well, I don't know. I have to go through it, but it tells you at the top of each week, like the children's Homer, ballet shoes, Swiss Family Robinson, optionally watch the Disney movie Swiss Family Robinson, or do both. And then write a comparative essay. It doesn't say that, I'm saying that. Let's see. Yeah, okay, well, anyway, I will, see now I'm just, The Hobbit. Still The Hobbit, because that's a long book. Just So Stories. Okay. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, anyway, so I'm getting all into this and I'm gonna bore you by me looking at it and not showing you. So I'm just gonna say that I will do a flip through on this after I go through it myself. But that is super exciting. Yeah, so that is my haul for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.